How to reactivate Binance locked account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you have previously disabled your account and would like to reactivate again, you can follow the step. So if you're not going ahead and able to open up your Binance account, you can just go ahead and locate up a browser, open up a browser, and then go over to Binance support. So you need to contact their support team and provide supporting documents so that they can verify your identity. So for that, go over to support center of Binance.com and you need to just go over and look out for this section right here. So you just need to go ahead and look out their help center. You need to log in first of all in order to basically go ahead and contact the support team. So you can just go ahead and look out for the option of account, something like that. And you can just go ahead and provide them provided information. You can just go over to the 24/7 support team. You can scroll down from the options and head over to get support. And there in this inbox section, you can just go ahead and provide the information the support team will need in order to reactivate your self-disabled account. So you can just go ahead and type in the search ask question and ask them to reactivate your account. So that is it. You may follow this method in order to reactivate your Binance locked account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.